Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open a fresh Google Doc and begin with structure, not fluff. Create the file, set page size and margins, then assign heading styles so navigation works. Once done, draft a concise outline as headings, parts, chapters, scenes. That outline becomes your roadmap. It speeds later navigation and generates a table of contents. Make sure to enable the Document Outline panel and name the file clearly so collaborators recognize the project instantly. You now fill the roadmap. Write chapter drafts under their heading labels so the outline stays useful. Use voice typing for fast first drafts and the research pane to pull facts. Insert comments where you'll edit later. Once done with a chapter, add bookmarks and internal links for cross-references and insert images or tables with captions. Make sure to save frequent versions and label them in version history, so you can revert or compare drafts as the manuscript grows. You finish by polishing format and preparing files for publishing. Insert and update the table of contents, apply consistent heading and paragraph styles, then switch to suggesting mode for final edits. Once done, run spelling and accessibility checks and review version history to confirm final changes. Export to EPUB for ebooks or print-ready PDF and add metadata like title, author, and ISBN in your publishing platform. Troubleshooting tip: if formatting breaks on export,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.